how to find first class flight on Google Flights. If you want to learn how to find first class flights on Google Flights, you're in the right place. So ensure you sit through and watch to the end. So welcome. The first step is to log in into your Google Flights account, just like I've done here. And so once you're on the home page, scroll down to the flight section where you can see the different options such as multi-city, you can see passengers, you can see economy, and the likes. So once you can see all of this, the next step is for you to select the kind of trip you want. Is it a round trip? Is it a one-way trip? Is it a multi-city trip? Then select the number of passengers. All right, and then select the kind of class you want. So this is where you'll see the first class option just below the business option. So click on first class, and so click on search. After clicking on search, first class flights would be displayed. But currently, no first class flight has been found for this particular location. So you can either decide to change your location in order to find first class flights. All right, you can just change it a little, make some minor changes over there, right? Or you can change it to a one way or to a round trip, and you can change the date as well if you really want to have want to get a first class. So you can just change the date to, then you wait for it to load. Okay, well, as you can see, for now no first class flights is available, but for you, this is basically how you can find first class flights on Google Flights. It's very simple. Just select first class, enter in your location, enter in your date, click on search, and the flights available under first class would be displayed. So that is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.